Hello friends, we are going to write an algorithm to calculate the sum of n consecutive numbers. So we have to obtain a number x is the number, n is the range. So we have to find the n consecutive numbers of x. For this we will write an algorithm. Step 1 is the logical start of this algorithm. Step 2, I ask the user print enter the number. Enter the number. Step 3, input x. So I store the number in the variable x. Step 4, again ask the user using print statement enter range. Range. I store it in the variable n. Input n. So this is the range. Now step 6, I am initializing sum equal to 0, I equal to x plus 1. I equal to x plus 1. Step 7, the while loop. While I less than or equal to n plus 1. So here I am calculating sum equal to sum plus I. Then I am incrementing I by 1. I equal to I plus 1. So again, until I less than or equal to n plus 1, I am adding the value of I with the existing value of sum. I am incrementing I by 1. Again, I am checking I less than or equal to n plus 1. We continue until the I less than or equal to n plus 1. This is end while. End while. So now steps 8. Step 8, I am printing the sum. Step 9 is the logical stop of the algorithm. So, logical start of the algorithm. I am displaying a message using a print statement. Enter the number. When the user enter the number, I am storing it in the variable x. I ask the user using print statement, enter the range. The number entered by the user is stored in the variable n. I am initializing the variable sum equal to 0, I equal to x plus 1, x plus 1. While I less than or equal to n, sum equal to sum plus I. That means the existing value of sum plus the value of I. I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1. This will go continuously until I is less than or equal to n plus 1. This is the end of the while loop. Now I am printing sum and logical stop of the algorithm. We will take a sample input and we will trace this algorithm. Input x. For x I am giving the value 1. 1 is my input. For n my value is 5. Okay. Since I am sum equal to 0 equal to 0 comma I equal to x plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2, 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. I am checking I less than or equal to n plus 1. What is the value of I? I is 2. 2 less than or equal to n plus 1. What is the value of n? N is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 2 less than or equal to 6 is true. So sum equal to sum plus I. Sum equal to the existing value of sum is 0 plus the value of I. I is 2. Now the value of sum equal to 2. I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1. So I equal to existing value of I is 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. So this is the first iteration. The second iteration, okay, again the control will come here to check 3, I value 3 less than or equal to n plus 1, that is 6, the condition is true. Sum equal to existing value of sum is 2. 2 plus value of I is 3. Now the value of sum equal to 5. Here I equal to I plus 1. What is the existing value of I? 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So again control will come to the this header of the loop and checks the condition. That means it will check 4 less than or equal to 6. It is correct. Sum equal to sum plus I. Existing value of sum plus I. So sum, what is the value of current value of sum is 5 plus 4 equal to 9. I am incrementing I by 1. I equal to existing value of I is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Next iteration I am checking 5, I value 5 less than or equal to n plus 1. Less than or equal to n plus 1 is 6. The condition is true. Sum equal to sum plus I. Sum equal to existing value of sum is 9 and plus the value of I is 5 which is equal to 14. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. Existing value of I is 5 and this is 5. Existing I is 5. Then plus 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. I is 6. Again it will check the condition. This next iteration it checks the condition. 6 less than or equal to 6 which is true. Sum equal to existing value of sum is 14 plus I value is 6 equal to 20. I equal to I plus 1. Okay, that means 6 plus 1 which is equal to 7. Next iteration, it checks the condition. 7 less than or equal to 6 is false. It comes out of the while loop and print sum. It will print the sum. Sum is 20 is my output, and this is the logical stop of the algorithm. Whether it is correct? So what is my input value? My input value x is 1 and the value of n is 5. Value of x equal to 1, the range n equal to 5. That means we have to find the sum of next 5 consecutive numbers of 1. So what are the next 5 consecutive numbers of 1? That is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So these are the next 5 consecutive numbers of 1. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6 equal to 20. So my algorithm produced 20. It's perfect. The answer is correct. Algorithm is working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.